How to research ETFs with Etrade. ETFs are exchange traded funds. They're like mutual funds, but they're passively managed. For example, an ETF that tracks oil means that this is just an instrument that's going to track oil versus a mutual fund, which is actively managed. So, actively managed means someone is actually moving stocks around versus an ETF, an exchange traded fund, means that it's just going to track a particular entity. But I don't want to get too far from that. I'm going to show you exactly how to research these with E-Trade. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dice, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so let's jump straight into it. I know how to research ETFs with E-Trade. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So as you log into E-Trade, right up under this tab here, you're going to go to Market. Go to Marketing Ideas. Right up in the Marketing Ideas, you're going to go to ETFs. Go to ETF Screener. Now, here's your screener right here on the right-hand side. I'm on your left-hand side. You have here. You can look up predefined strategies. If you're looking for core fixed income, top performing U.S. equities, top core international, fund category. If you're looking for a particular category or group, you're looking for balanced domestic, municipal bonds, taxable bonds. If you're looking for a particular category, you can look at it that way. Expense ratio, you want to look at the top 20%, the bottom, expense ratio is how much you're paying for it. The yield, how much dividends you may want to make. So you can click on all of these things to help, look up your search. So let's say for prime example, we're going to look up core. Let's say we want to look at the top performing U.S. equities. Boom. So right here, when I clicked on that, or I didn't click anything else, but I just clicked on this, and the top one they have up here, I can look at it. It tells me this is a large blend, large cap blend, large cap market capitalization. Telling me how much it costs right here. It's telling me the gross expense ratio and the premium discount, right? So let's take. I want to look at this one. I click on it. Now here we go. I can look at it right now. The market is closed currently, but let's go to charts. So you can look at this particular company, right? Check out the moving averages. How has it performed over the last 5 years? Is maybe a way you want to look at it, and then you may want to put it on top of the S&P 500. See how it's performed over the S&P 500 over the last year to date. And as you can see, this thing is pretty much performing the exact as S&P 500. So whatever research you want to look at, go back to snapshot. You go to portfolio. Inside of portfolio, it's going to tell you how big the company is, what's the yield on it, and also it's going to tell you these are the top 10% holdings. They have Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet, Procter & Gamble, Home Depot, Intel, Visa. So you can see exactly what are the top holders in this particular company, what they're exposed to, all this other good stuff with the ETF. Me, when I look at this one, from my little looking at it right now, I would prefer probably S&P 500 over this because this pretty much has the same thing as the S&P 500, and it does pay a nice little yield, but so does the S&P 500. And I got to look down here where it's the expense ratio is 0.29, not too bad, but I can get that cheaper with something like the VU or maybe the SPY, which is probably like 0.04. But I don't want to go down that rabbit hole. That's a quick way of how you can research ETFs with E-Trade. Hope that helped you guys and girls out. Drop some comments below if you got questions. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, book, or whatever else you see me do crazy around the globe. Peace, be safe. I'm out. Thank you.